just briefly, in terms of the white lab coat, I just wanted to mention that that's a really big ceremony when doctors receive that. It's actually been since 1993. I'm sure Dr. Anwar can attest to that. That it's a really big deal when they are awarded their lab coats. And I understand that there are other, professions that might wear them. But perhaps I missed it, but are there specific medical procedures that you're performing that would be the reason why you have that lab coat on? Because otherwise, I get the sense that maybe an apron or something of the like would do just as much to protect the clothing as a white lab coat, which, does in people's minds has always been associated with, specifically doctors. I think that's perhaps something that you could clarify for us.
Sure. I mean, so my understanding is registered nurses and doctors don't wear aprons. So, I mean, I don't think that's a common practice I've seen in hospitals or doctors, maybe in a kitchen. So I'm not sure that would be the best suggestion.
Right. But I think
again,
I think your specific, you said it was to protect the clothing underneath. So I'm just curious
yes,
what procedures are being performed.
Yeah. So in my organization, we don't wear white lab coats. I'm just pointing out the fact that the reason that white lab coats exist is for the simple fact of protecting the clothes underneath. So it's not an indication.
So not in your organization. So not in your organization.
One of the definitions of this ordinance.
At others. Yeah, perhaps at others right. They're wearing them, and that would, cause some people to be confused about the services with which they're receiving and from whom.
Well, I mean, again, we've gone through this. I was trying to fill in the representative on things that she's missed. We've gone through this year after year. We've brought up all the folks that wear white lab coats. We've talked about all the reasons why it shouldn't be a criteria or some sort of discriminatory, piece that should go against the pregnancy center if there was somebody in a white coat. Again, okay. The ordinance specifically is even dealing with scrubs, and that is very problematic because I mean that's what a lot of doctors and a lot of nurses and licensed medical professionals are wearing when they're interacting with the public. So
right, and that's usually because they're performing a procedure. Thank you so much. I'm finished. Thank you for your testimony.